Alright, this is the Autonomous Desk AI in white, fully set up in my home office. And right away, you get to see how clean this thing looks. It's bright, minimal, and modern. But this isn't just a standing desk with presets. This is an AI-driven adjustable desk designed to actively improve how you work. It actively monitors your habits and helps you build healthier sit-stand routines before fatigue even kicks in. Quick flashback to the unboxing, then we'll break everything down. Everything came well packaged and very organized. White tabletop, reinforced steel legs, dual motor frame, cable tray, sensor module. All the hardware is clearly labeled, and it was a very straightforward process. Now let's talk about what makes this desk different. First, the size. This is a 53-inch by 29-inch tabletop, which is perfect for dual monitor setups. You've got plenty of space for a laptop, keyboard, mouse, maybe a notebook, and even a mic setup, without feeling cramped. The surface itself feels very durable and premium. It's built for long work sessions, not just something temporarily. Underneath, the frame is reinforced SBCC steel. It feels very solid. No flex, no cheap wobble. It also comes with these hanging hooks that you could place on the side. You could hang your earphones, headphones. This is designed to be your primary desk for years, not something you replace next year. The height range runs from about 30.7 inches all the way up to 49.7 inches with the top. So whether you're shorter, taller, or somewhere in between, it adjusts to you. And it's stable across that entire range. That matters. No wobbling. This thing's sturdy. Because once the desk starts wobbling, your focus goes out the window. This one stays planted. This uses a dual motor electric lift system. It moves up about 1.2 inches per second. So it's fast but controlled. And it operates under 30 decibels. That's extremely quiet. You can adjust this during a call and nobody would even hear it. And it supports up to 330 pounds. Definitely stable. So dual monitors, heavy setups, audio gear, no problem. It transitions effortlessly from standing to sitting without distraction. Underneath, you've got an integrated cable tray. This keeps your power strip and wires tucked away neatly. This keeps everything organized. No dangling cords, no clutter on the floor. It makes the entire setup feel intentional and clean. Now here's where this desk really separates itself. This is not just a motorized desk with memory buttons. It's AI driven. Now let's go underneath and talk about the sensors. There are integrated sensors built into the system. It detects prolonged sitting, movement patterns, work intensity, and instead of waiting until you're stiff and tired, it proactively supports healthier sit-stand routines. It proactively supports healthier sit-stand routines. It adapts to you, quietly, in the background. Once connected, the companion app gives you a workspace score. It analyzes your sitting time, standing time, movement behavior, environmental factors, and gives intelligent nudges, not random alarms, smart suggestions. If you've been sitting too long, it prompts you before fatigue builds up. If you haven't moved, it encourages a quick reset. Hydration reminders, stretch reminders, small adjustments that add up over a workday. It feels less like tech for the sake of tech, and more like a subtle productivity coach built into your furniture. In a simple home office like this desk really shines. The white finish brightens the whole space. The 53-inch width gives enough room without overpowering the room. And the AI features keep you aware during those long work sessions. It encourages consistency, not burnout. Another thing worth mentioning, this desk is backed by a 10-year warranty on the frame, 2 years on the desktop, and a 30-day free return policy. That tells you this is not meant to be a temporary furniture. It's built for long-term daily use. Alright, honest breakdown. Pros: clean, white, premium design. Large 53 by 29 inch surface. Dual motor system, fast, quiet, and precise. 330 pound lift capacity. Reinforced steel frame. Excellent cable management. And AI features that actually improve daily workflow. Cons: it's a premium desk, so it's priced accordingly. The AI app takes a few minutes to fully understand at first. And if you want a very basic desk with no smart features, you might not use everything it offers. But overall, if you want a height adjustable desk that actively supports how you work, this is a serious upgrade. If you're building a clean, simple home office and want something that looks modern but also works intelligently behind the scenes, the Autonomous Desk 5 AI Pro in white is worth considering. Link is below. If this helped you out, hit that like and subscribe for more workspace and tech reviews. See you in the next one. I really like how the cable management goes up with the table as well. So all the wires and everything go up with the table, so you're not worried about anything catching or destroying your device. And it also has a safety feature too. So it has a couple different settings that you can adjust. So if it hits something, it automatically stops. So I have it on setting 2. So if it hits my leg, it will automatically stop. And that's great if you have kids or if it bumps something on the way down. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna have it go down and hit my knee, and you can see how it will stop itself. See? It feels something and it automatically stops.